Will Coach House windows fit my garage door? Coach House Accents Decor windows were designed to be compatible with as many door panel stampings as possible. But the best way to be sure is to measure your current garage door stamping area. Your garage door panel should be no greater than 45.5 inches wide and 16 5/8 inches tall. To be sure our decorative windows will fit your garage, we recommend you measure before you order. Coach House Accents Decor windows will fit on most standard raised panel, flat panel, and entry-level steel carriage style doors. This includes short panels and long panels. Come visit us at CoachHouseAccents.com to learn more or to download our handy measuring guide.